Hello everyone. Recently Apple has rolled out updates that is iOS 13.5.1 which is available for all the iOS 13 compatible device. This means the iPhone 6s and newer iPhones. The new iOS 13.5.1 update is focused on combating a hack that could potentially affect Apple iPhones for multiple generations. Besides this one security fix, iOS 13.5.1 update has few cool features like introducing new memoji stickers and iCloud Drive folder sharing from the File app. I'm going to show you all the features of folder sharing from the File app. However, before you start, please do subscribe my channel to bring more tech info for you. And if you already subscribed, thank you for watching. Now come back to the topic and let's begin. Trust you have already updated your iPhone, and now open the File app and tap on the blank area to create a folder to share. Yes, you can also share your existing folder too. Now tap and hold the folder and it will prompt a new screen. Notice a share button in the below and tap to proceed. You will find all the way to share the folder from here and scroll up to see more options. You can copy a shareable link of the folder and you can add people by tapping add people. Here also you can share the folder, but before we do share, the most important for security purpose, you can control share options like who can access the folder and set permission, can do the changes of the folder or view only. Now tap shareable platform to share your folder, and I'm sharing through email. Done. I have received the mail and notice in the folder list you can see the folder icon has changed as shared. So that's all, and this is how you can share your folder from File app. You are awesome. So enjoy the cool feature iCloud Drive folder sharing from the File app of the latest iOS update 13.5.1. And remember to subscribe my channel to provide more tech info for you, and keep watching the latest video which is screening now. Thank you for tuning in and have a nice day.